After sending the mail, click back to User Form to return to the main screen. Click on Create Estimate option button to generate a new device repair estimate. Fill in all the required details carefully to create a complete repair estimate. Start by entering the display name to identify the estimate, add a clear description of the issue or repair task, and specify the time in minutes required for the job. Select the appropriate partner or customer who requested the service, and don't forget to add the necessary spare parts or components needed for the repair. Once all the information is entered and reviewed, simply click on Save button option to record the estimate. Your estimate is now created. Once the estimate is created, open it to carefully review all the details you have entered, such as the repair description, time, and added parts. After confirming everything looks correct, proceed by selecting the Send Email option to prepare the estimate for sharing. Finally, click on Send so the customer instantly receives the repair estimate directly in their inbox. After the email is successfully delivered, the system will instantly display the powerful Approve and Send option, giving you the next step to move your estimate forward with just one click. Click Approve to confirm the estimate. The status will now change to Approved. After completing the approval, return back to the main form where your repair request is being tracked. From here, move the process ahead by clicking on Work in Progress, which indicates that the repair task has officially started. This status update helps in clearly marking the workflow stage so both the team and customer know the repair is underway. Once the repair is complete, click Done to update the status to Done. Next, click on Send Repair Email option button. Inside the repair email screen, you'll discover two important sections: content for your message details and settings for customization. Take a moment to review both carefully, and once everything looks perfect, simply hit Send to deliver the repair email instantly. That's it. Party Popper, the repair email has been successfully sent.